In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to disable or turn off TikTok voice and video calls. Let's get started. First, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head over to your profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right. Click on the option settings and privacy. Here you're going to find defense section. Under activity, you're going to find the option of notifications. Click on that. Now scroll down. Under messages section, you're going to find the option of voice and video calls. Click on that. You'll see options such as everyone, friends, or no one. To completely disable incoming TikTok calls, select no one. After choosing no one, TikTok will stop allowing other users to contact you through the in-app calling feature. As this is the new feature, this feature is only available in selective regions and selective accounts. In case you could not find this feature, make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok. And next thing you want to do is wait as this feature is rolling out. Once this feature is available in your account, you can follow these tips and disable it. So that's it. This way you can easily turn off TikTok voice and video calls and protect your privacy. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.